gravity. This is my yacht.
What just happened?
Welcome back to Ireland. We are now in Ireland. It's been amazing. We are staying at this beautiful lake here. I think it's a river. We're currently in Sligo, which is west of Ireland. Now, last year we've only been to Dublin, which has been like the capital, right? It's always like the capital is always Dublin in Ireland. Now we are in Sligo, which is basically the west side, which is basically the California of Ireland, basically, right? So that's why I got my beach shorts on. I'm fully ready. It's beautiful summer. We go to Zero Gravity indoor skate park. That's like the only skate park here. There's no outdoor skate park, nothing. And the special thing is, this skate park, there is zero gravity. So we should be able to do double flare flat and triple bri flip flat. So I'm really stoked for this. Also, we got Elliot popping up fresh all up in your building, and we got myself, we got some boats. This is my yacht. This is my yacht. Yeah.
Ad revs low, yeah.
Yeah, pretty much so, yeah. Anyone here today?
There's just one or two little kids.
Just one or two little kiddos. Little kidgy, liddy.
What's up, Elliot?
What's up?
How was your sleep,
Fully
boy?
Iced out, my boy!
Oh, you
It's
said
more
it,
than your
you
rent,
said it,
you know what I'm
man.
saying? Alright, let's go say hi.
Hi,
Hi, Mom.
Here.
Who of you guys has never been here before? Hands up. Okay. Who is not from Ireland? Where are you from?
Me, Poland.
Poland. Where are you from? Poland. Where are you from? Poland. Where are you from? Wales. That's my boy. Right, let's go. Let's go. Come on, tower of air. What's your name? Donica. And how old are you?
13.
13. Are you from Ireland?
13.
How many backflips can you do? One. Do you guys want to see Donica backflip? Alright.
Making that money, ain't on me. Making that money, living that dream. Making that money, ain't on me. Making that money, living that dream. I'm gonna love it when day part keeps coming. Backseat really tryna hold it down, and if you up down from the Lord's providing.
Okay, here we have our first Irish winner. Your name is?
Sean.
Sean. What does it feel like to win the first game of Foot Down in Ireland?
Good.
Good. Have you ever won anything?
Well, no.
No. How did you manage to win against all these people?
I stayed on my scooter.
Good choice. Congrats. Can we please get an applause for Sean? Show your merch. Congratulations. Okay, so we're here with my friend. What's your name?
Dara.
Dara. And Dara is from Sligo, Ireland, and he got a present for me. So let's have a look what you got. Show everyone. Hey! An Irish hat, exactly what I wanted. Put out in the universe and you will receive. Thank you so much. Thank you, Tara. Thank you.
My name's Dylan and I got Claudius Vertesi an Irish hat.
Oh my god! This hat is even better than the one I have right now. Wait, can I wear two at the same time? Is that possible? Is that too much Ireland at the same time? Too much Ireland? Oh my god, this is exactly what I wanted, guys.
claudiusvertesibiz.com/shop. Claudius Vertesi.
Follow me on my profile. Oh, I'm so Irish now. Let's go, G. Love your hair, by the way.
This is for the best YouTuber.
For the best YouTuber. Thank you. What's your name?
Dominic.
Dominic.
Yeah.
Cool. Dominic and Dylan.
Yeah.
Love it. 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 Could we please get a big applause for those two guys for the panel?
Hello.
Our signing session and some awesome tricks. I just found one of the most secret talent. Your name is Donica?
Yeah.
And how old are you, sir?
13.
He's 13 from Ireland, correct?
Yeah.
How long have you been scootering for?
2 years.
2 years, and he's 13. You do any other sports?
Gaelic.
Okay, so he's, I think, one of the best scooter riders at his age in entire Ireland. What are your 3 best tricks?
Backflip, right twist, and 360 bumps.
Backflip, bride twist, and 360. Right, I want to see 360, backflip, and then I want to see the bride twist.
Sam.
Is that good?
Yep.
Let's go. Boom, Donica.
Time is still a swift transition. Put yourself in good position if you want. Things can go your way. Ain't no time to smell the roses. Gotta get to
Yeah. And now, you said you're doing a bride twist.
Yeah, on the vertical.
Explain us, what is a bride twist?
Well, you hold it one hand and you're basically doing a bride twist with one hand.
Is it basically a bride flip and a bar twist at the same time?
No. It's like a bride. Just flick it around like this. With one hand.
Just flick it around.
With one hand.
With one hand? Do you think you can do that?
Yeah.
Yeah? But we want to see it though, right? Prove it! Prove it! Okay, so if our Donica is doing the bride twist, I will get up all the way up there and drop in. Is that a deal? Yeah. Sign the contract.
The contract has been signed.
Exactly! Not black.